Good morning, students. This is a chemistry class for you. You have more potential, so don't waste your time. Do you know how many lessons in 12th chemistry subject? There are 15 lessons. Now we are going to see about 8th chapter, ionic equilibrium. First, you have to understand the word ionic equilibrium. What does mean by ions? Positive ion, negative ion, these are said to be what ion. What does mean by equilibrium? Rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of reverse reactions, or already studied in 11th standard, or both sides are equal. So equilibrium is exist in ionic reaction. They are said to be what? Ionic equilibrium. The introduction of ionic equilibrium. What is the reason to understand the behavior of acid and bases? Because it is used in daily life and also have the industrial application. Acid and bases is used in daily life. For example, milk contain lactic acid, vinegar contain acetic acid, tea contain tannic acid. Antacid contain aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Acid and bases have industrial applications also. For example, sulfuric acid used in fertilizer industry, sodium hydroxide is used in soap industry. The behavior of acid and bases are explained by three scientists: Arrhenius, Lowry and Bronsted, Lewis. What is meant by acid according to Arrhenius? For example, hydrochloric acid is taken, is dissolved in water and produce H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So it gives H plus ion in water. So what is meant by base? It gives OH minus ion in water. For example, calcium hydroxide is taken, is dissolved in water and produce OH minus ion. What is meant by acid according to Lowry and Bronsted? Acid means donate the proton according to Lowry and Bronsted concept. For example, HCl is taken, then react with the water to form H3O plus and Cl minus ion. Here it is, HCl donate the proton to H2O and it will become Cl minus ion. So HCl donate the proton, it acts as acid. Then H2O acts as a base, accept a proton. It accepts a proton from HCl and it will become H3O plus. Proton means hydrogen. So after accepting the proton, the H2O become H3O plus. H2O acts as a base. So what is meant by acid according to Lewis concept? Acid means electron pair acceptor. Base means electron pair donor. For example, boron trifluoride react with ammonia to form the compound. Here it is, ammonia donate the pair of electron pair donor, so that it acts as a Lewis base. BF3 accept electron pair, so that BF3 acts as a Lewis acid. Now we discuss in word by word as in the books. The heading: acid and bases. Acid is derived from Latin word acetus. So what is the meaning of acetus? Sour. So acid has sour taste. It turns blue litmus to red. So blue litmus paper is dipped into the acid, the blue color changes into red. It reacts with the metal and produces hydrogen gas. For example, zinc is react with the hydrochloric acid and produce hydrogen gas. Base tastes bitter. It turns red litmus to blue. So these classical concepts are not adequate. These classical concepts are not enough to explain the complete behavior of acid and bases, so that scientists develop the concept of acid and bases based on the behavior. So what are the concepts developed? Arrhenius concept, Bronsted and Lowry concept, Lewis concept. These three concepts are used to describe the properties of acid and bases. Explain Arrhenius concept and its limitations. This is a question. Arrhenius concept. The concept of acid and bases was proposed by Arrhenius. So what is meant by acid according to Arrhenius? For example, HCl is taken, is dissolved in the water and produce H plus ion. So HCl dissociated into H plus ion and Cl minus ion in water. So it gives H plus ion. And acid is a substance that dissociate to give hydrogen ion in water. HCl, H2SO4, it is an example for acid. Highly hydrated is usually represented as H3O plus. Simplest hydrated proton H2O plus is represented by both H plus and H3O plus to mean the same. What is meant by base according to Arrhenius concept? For example, calcium hydroxide is taken, is dissolved in the water and produce OH minus ion. So base is a substance that dissociate to give hydroxyl ion in water. Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, these are the examples for base. What are the limitations of Arrhenius concept? It does not explain the behavior of acid and bases in non-aqueous solvent. Which is non-aqueous solvent? Acetone, tetrahydrofuran is a non-aqueous solvent. Here it is acid or base. Acid gives H plus ion in water. Water acts as a aqueous solvent. Here it is non-aqueous solvent. So it does not explain the behavior of acid and bases in non-aqueous solvent. That is a demerit. That is the limitations of Arrhenius concept. Next one, it does not explain the basicity of the substance like ammonia, NH3. So ammonia is a base, but it does not contain hydroxyl group. So according to Arrhenius concept, if the substance said to be what base, it must contain OH group. Here it has ammonia, it does not contain hydroxyl group. That is the demerit of Arrhenius concept. Classify the following as acid or base using Arrhenius concept. Which is said to be what acid, which is said to be what base? HNO3, barium hydroxide, H3PO4, CH3COH. Answer: HNO3, H3PO4, acetic acid is acid, barium hydroxide base. How to say that these are said to be what acid? Suppose if you take HNO3. HNO3 is dissolved in a water and produce H plus ion. H3PO4 dissolved in a water and produce H plus ion. Acetic acid dissolved in a water to produce H plus ion. Why do you say that barium hydroxide acts as a base? Barium hydroxide is dissolved in a water and produce OH minus ion. So the next concept, Lowry and Bronsted concept. The concept of acid and base was proposed by Lowry and Bronsted. They are said to be what? Lowry and Bronsted concept. So this concept is also called as proton theory. So what is meant by acid according to Lowry and Bronsted? For example, HCl is dissolved in a water to form H3O plus and Cl minus ion. Here it is, HCl acts as acid. How to say that HCl acts as acid? HCl donate the proton to H2O and it will become Cl minus ion. Proton means hydrogen. So HCl donate the proton to H2O and it will become Cl minus, so that HCl acts as acid. H2O, it accepts a proton means hydrogen, it accepts a hydrogen and it will become H3O plus. So an acid is defined as a substance that has the tendency to donate a proton to another substance. A base is a substance that has the tendency to accept a proton from other substance. An acid is a proton donor and base is a proton acceptor. So there is two examples as follows. One is acid dissolved in water, another one is base dissolved in water. The first one, acid dissolved in water. HCl is dissolved in water and it will become H3O plus and Cl minus. What happened in this? HCl donate the proton and it will become Cl minus. H2O accept a proton and it will become H3O plus. So HCl acts as acid. When HCl is dissolved in water, HCl donate the proton to H2O so that HCl behaves as acid and H2O behaves as a base. The second example is ammonia dissolved in water. Base is dissolved in water. Ammonia dissolved in water to form NH4 plus and OH minus ion. So ammonia accept a proton and it will become NH4 plus. So NH3 acts as a base, H2O acts as acid. Let us consider the reverse reaction of this one. Reverse reaction means what? Product is converted into the reactant. H3O plus combined with Cl minus ion and to form HCl and H2O. So H3O plus combined with Cl minus ion, it donate the proton. It donate the proton to Cl minus and it will become H2O. Cl minus is a proton acceptor. It accept a proton and it will become HCl. So H3O plus act as an acid and Cl minus act as a base. In general, acid combined with base to form acid and base. HCl is dissolved in water to form H3O plus and Cl minus ion. How to identify the conjugate acid base pair? HCl donate the proton to H2O and it will become Cl minus. So HCl and the Cl minus is said to be conjugate acid base pair. H2O after accepting the proton and it will become H3O plus. So H2O and H3O plus is said to be conjugate acid base pair. It can be explained as follows. HCl donate the proton and to form Cl minus ion. HCl combined with water to form H3O plus and Cl minus ion. Here it is, HCl acts as acid. It donate the proton to H2O and it will become Cl minus ion. So HCl is the conjugate acid of Cl minus and Cl minus is conjugate base of HCl. Suppose if you consider base only, for example, HCl react with water to form H3O plus and Cl minus ion. Here it is, H2O is a base. The base accept a proton and it will become H3O plus. So that H2O is a conjugate base of H3O plus. H3O plus is the conjugate acid of H2O. The next one, the limitations of Lowry and Bronsted theory. Substance BF3, AlCl3 do not donate the protons, are known to behave as acid. According to the concept of Lowry and Bronsted, if it is said to be acid, it must contain proton. It donates the proton. In BF3, in aluminum chloride, does not contain the proton. So that's a demerit of Lowry and Bronsted. Demerit, there are limitations. Evaluate yourself. Write a balanced equation for the dissociation of the following in water and identify the conjugate acid base pair: NH4 plus, H2SO4, CH3COH. NH4 plus is dissolved in water, H2SO4 is dissolved in water, acetic acid is dissolved in water, and identify the conjugate acid base pair. So NH4 plus is dissolved in water to form H3O plus and NH3. So NH4 plus acts as acid. Acid means what? Proton donor. After donating the proton, this will become NH3. So that NH4 plus and NH3 is said to be what? Conjugate acid base pair. H2O is said to be what? Base. It accepts a proton and it will become H3O plus. So H2O and H3O plus are said to be conjugate acid base pair. The next one, sulfuric acid dissolved in water and to form H3O plus and HSO4 minus. So H2SO4 acts as acid. Acid means what? It donates the proton to H2O and it will become HSO4 minus. So that H2SO4 and HSO4 act as an acid base pair. H2O accept a proton and it will become H3O plus. So H2O and H3O plus act as an acid base, conjugate acid base pair. In the third one, acetic acid is dissolved in water to form H3O plus and CH3CO minus. Acetic acid is acid, so it donates the proton to H2O. So it will become CH3CO minus. Which one is the conjugate acid base pair? Acetic acid and CH3CO minus is a conjugate acid base pair. H2O accepting the proton and it will become H3O plus. So H2O and H3O plus is said to be conjugate acid base pair. Explain Lewis concept with an example. Lewis concept. The concept of acid and bases are proposed by Lewis. He considered electron pair. What is meant by Lewis acid? What is meant by Lewis base? Suppose if you consider the example, the reaction between boron trifluoride and ammonia. Ammonia acts as a Lewis base. Boron trifluoride acts as a Lewis acid. How to say that? Boron trifluoride combined with ammonia to form the bond, to form the compound. There is a bond formed between the boron and nitrogen. This bond is said to be what? Coordinate covalent bond. Which one is responsible for this formation of this bond? The pair of electron from ammonia is donated to the boron. There is a bond formation occurs in between the boron and nitrogen. So electron pair donor, it is called as a Lewis base. Electron pair acceptor, it is called as a Lewis acid. So Lewis acid is a species that accept an electron pair. It is positive ion or electron deficient molecule. Lewis base, it is a species that donate the electron pair. It is an anion or neutral molecule with at least one lone pair of electron. Boron trifluoride combined with ammonia to form the compound. So boron has a vacant 2p orbital. So already we know that atomic number of boron is 5. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py0, 2pz0. So how many orbital in p orbital? 3p orbital. So the electron, only one electron occupy in one orbital. So boron has a vacant 2p orbital to accept the lone pair of electron donated by ammonia to form the new coordinate covalent bond. So the pair of electron donated from ammonia to boron to form new coordinate covalent bond. In coordination compounds, ligands, that is what electron donor, act as a Lewis base, and the central metal atom or ion that accept a pair of electron from the ligand behaves as a Lewis acid. So ligand combine with central metal atom or ion to form the coordination compound. Here it is, ligand donate the pair of electron to central metal atom to form the coordination compound. So ligand act as a Lewis base, central metal atom or ion act as a Lewis acid.